Today we're going to go straight down the line. Hello, I'm Alan Gray and welcome to Get Gardening. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my line in here and then go across like this, as it adds neatness. And you also know that if you're hoeing between the rows, you've got something to guide you. You know that your plants are going to be in that position. And put the line under there like that, and then it goes this end. Now how do I know I'm equal both ends? Well, the trick is I've got a bamboo cane, a split bamboo cane, and I put it there, and that shows me exactly where my line has to be. Now I'm going to just drag a shallow drill in this lovely crumbly tilth we've got here. It's absolutely wonderful. You can see there's still a little bit of moisture in the soil, although it is very dry here at the moment. And so when we actually come to sowing, we will actually water them in as well. Here I've got a packet of carrot seed. I'm going to just take them out. I mentioned earlier in an earlier video that carrot seed, or any seed, is very well packed. It's in these hermetically sealed little foil packets, which means that it keeps for the optimum of freshness. Now to sow easily, I'm going to tip the contents into the palm of my hand. Not quite all of them. Always save a few just in case of emergencies. And now, finger and thumb into the drill. All along the row, so very, very thinly. But do remember that you'll be pulling these carrots as soon as they're old enough and big enough to eat. So what you need to do is you need to pull them and leave spaces between them and the other plants that are in the row so that they can carry on growing and hopefully get a little bit bigger. Now that's enough. So I'm going to put the rest of the seed back into the packet, which you do over the row, over the drill, so that any seed that you drop will go in the drill. Give that a double fold. Take back your rake and just lightly rake in. You don't need to be too strict about this. Just lightly rake it in like that, just so that the soil trickles over the top of your seeds. A little bit of general purpose fertilizer. Just gives everything a little bit of a kick. Now the next thing to do is to water them in. Now for this I've got a watering can. I've got a nice rose on the top so that I don't wash the soil away, wash the seed away, and then I just go gently along the row, all the way along like that, and it just enough moisture just to get that seed in contact with the soil so that it starts to swell and then to germinate. And germination should take 2 to 3 weeks. So here I've got the carrots sown in a line, and I've left my string line there deliberately because this portion of the bed I'm going to plant up with some saladings. And I've got pak choy, tatsoi, emperor's savoury. Tatsoi is new to me, I don't know it at all, but it's stir fry or saladings, and red lettuce and green lettuce. And so I thought it might be quite nice just to put those in here. It's a short crop, a catch crop, and so we'll just plant a few of these in a decorative manner. We'll have a pak choy first of all. You want to allow probably about 9 to 10 inches between each of the plants, and you can see, interestingly enough, how these have been grown in cells. And cell trays allow you to take the whole plant out without disturbing the root. And you can see there we have a lettuce, and it's perfectly ready to go into the garden. The roots are lovely, and it will grow off straight away without any stress or any setback. which is called Sioux Ridge. That sounds, no it's not. Well, I've got some lettuce here, and it's called P-A-T-S-O-I, Emperor's. So I've got to start from the top.
I think you might have
All right.
Today we're looking at protecting our brassica crop. Before I'm going to put my nets on them and talk about them, I've just noticed on the kale plants that we've put in, look at that, look, eggs. And gravel is also excellent.
Copper rings, if you can afford those copper rings that you can buy, they give off a charge, an electric charge, so a slug or a snail won't cross over them.
I know what you're thinking, well, Ian, this isn't very good because we've got huge gaps underneath. Well, don't worry about that.